So hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Then you can see the right hand side search button. Just click and enter your model number of your motherboard B760M DS3H generation 5. Then hit enter. Click on product. Click off the title of this motherboard name. Then click on support. Select your operating system which is your required Windows 10 and 11. So select any because installation process is almost same. VGA, Intel VGA driver. Click to download. So you can see there in the download 770. After downloaded, so you just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click on yes. So now this is extracting the driver. Now this is installing and then close it.